Okay, no? Question number 7 was left from page number 72. Open your NCERT book, by the way. Okay, we will do this question first, and then we will do one more question that was left, and that was question number 10, right? Okay, did you try to do it at home or not, as the assignment was given? You did not. Yeah, Nafis, speak clearly.
Sir, I didn't have time.
Do not got the time. Okay, but try to take out some time for this. Now it is equally important.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now. Look at question number 7. Okay, everyone here or not? As of you, Laksh, you are there? Hey, Laksh, how are you? Yes, Khaja, how are you?
Assalamualaikum, sir. How are you, sir?
Walaikum Assalam. Yeah, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. Okay. Some of the questions were left from the exercise, from this exercise from page number 72. Laksh, you also haven't uploaded the assignment that was given yesterday.
Okay.
Assignment was given yesterday, no?
Yesterday I had to leave a bit early because of Quran classes.
Yeah. I'm aware of that. Okay. So by the way, like every day, the timing of the Quran class is same, or will you be able to adjust it to some other timing?
That I would have to ask my mother.
Okay. Discuss regarding this with your mother. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So from this exercise, question number 7 was left to be done. Okay, I left this for you guys to do. Okay, now. Also today I'll be discussing your assignments also. Okay, it's been a while we haven't discussed your assignments, particularly the assignments, your assignment logs which you have uploaded. Okay, now there are some errors in that which we'll be discussing it today as well. Okay. As of now, look at the question number 7. So we have to choose a number between 210 and 390. So in yesterday's class, we picked a number 320. You could have picked any other number also. Let's say we have picked the number 210. Then it says to create a number pattern similar to those shown in section 3.9 that will sum up to this number. Okay, now that will sum that. Yeah, Khaja, you were saying something?
Sir, my mother said like from 6:30 to 7:30.
From 6:30 to 7:30. Okay, where do you live, by the way?
Huh?
Where do you live?
Yes.
Like Saudi Arabia or
Saudi Arabia time, 6:30
Saudi
p.m. to
Arabia?
7:30 p.m.
Okay. So
So,
that's
do I join at 6:30 and leave for now?
right now. Like right now, there it's 6:30 now. So, but in Saudi Arabia, if it's 6:30 p.m. So here in India, that is equivalent to what?
It's like 8:30.
8:30, right? So we are at the same time now, getting it around that. Continue.
Okay.
So we have picked a number 320 between 210 and 390. All right. We have to create a number pattern similar to those shown in section 3.9 that will sum up to this number. So I will quickly show you the table, show you the number pattern given in section 3.9. Okay, now just hold on. Section 3. That's 3.7, 3.8, and here we are having section 3.9. Okay, now 3.9 over here. So question was saying to look at the pattern given in section 3.9. So as I explained you about this in the previous classes, right now, some numbers have been given here, right now, like a box is made over here, right? Different number of dots are put into the boxes and they are colored differently. So for example, this question, how we did this? Yeah, we counted the blue boxes having 5 dots in it. So in total, how many such boxes were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and
20.
20. There were 20 such boxes that had 5 dots in it. Okay. Then if you were to count like how much was the total number of boxes in it, so simply you have to count the number of boxes in the rows and in the column and you multiply them, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 multiplied by 8, that is 64. So there were a total of 64 boxes, right? Out of 64 boxes, 20 boxes had 5 dots in it. Remaining 44 boxes had only 1 dots in it, right now. So total number of dots will be how much? 20 multiplied by 5 now, isn't it? 20 multiplied by 5 equals to 100 dots. These are the number of dots in the blue boxes. Getting it now? The one that is in a dark blue. Getting it, Khaja, Nafis, and everyone? And
Yes, sir.
remaining is 44, and all these 44 boxes have only 1 dot in it. So 44 times 1, that gives you
1.
44. So
144.
exactly. So total is 144, 100 plus 44. So like this, we have to do the same kind of thing. Okay, now we will try to imagine something here. We will try to visualize how we are going to do it. So the number given to us 320. So we are going to split it into a different number of boxes, and we are going to split in it in such a manner that the sum of all the boxes will be equal to 320. Sum of all the numbers written in the box will be equal to 320. Okay, so let's try to do this. Okay, now how about we were to make a total of 8 columns here. One, let's try to divide this. Okay, now count the number of columns I have drawn here. How many columns are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 now. Okay, then tell me what about this? 1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4, and then 5. How many rows
4,
are there?
3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
6.
6 now. Okay, 8 columns and 6 rows. All right, now this number 320, what I can do now, I can use different patterns here. Okay, now since in the previous example 2 different types of boxes were taken, like in this one, in section 3.9, one box had 5 dots in it, another box had 1 dot in it. When you look at this one also, in this also 2 different numbers are given now, 40 and 50. All right,
Yes, sir.
so we will not fill the entire table, the entire box with the same number. We will use different numbers here. Getting it, everyone? We're going to use different numbers over here. The question is, how can we do so? How can we
We
do
can
so?
use 5s and 10s.
Uh-huh. We can
We can
use
use 5 and 10.
5s and 10s. First of all, look at the number 320. Okay. Then how many total boxes are in it right now? Tell me.
8 into 6, it's 40, 48.
48 now. Right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8, 6 are how many? 48 boxes are there. Everyone keep your camera on. Nafis and Roger, you as well. Okay. So there are total of
Yeah.
48 boxes. Okay. Now suppose if I were to, like, I cannot write the same number in all the boxes now. Getting it? I cannot. So I am going to split the number 48 here into, like, I'm going to fill at least two different types of numbers in all these boxes in such a manner that sum of all the numbers should be equal to 320. So everyone will try to do it. Every one of you will try to do it. Like, what number should we put here? Huh? Look here. 48 boxes we are going to divide it into two parts. Okay, now into two parts. Like in one part, we are going to write one number. In another part, we are going to write some other number, such that it will be multiplied by some number. For example, now let's say if we have, just for example, this won't be the answer right now. Just for example, I'm writing something here. Let's say I have written here 30 and here I have written 18. 30 boxes, 18 boxes, total is equal to 48 boxes. Okay. Now you guys tell me right now, if we were to write the value 5 in total of 30 boxes, so that will be equal to 150, right? 150 now, clear? So we have got 150 out of 320. How much is left? 170 is left now. Yes or no? 150 plus 170 is 320 now.
Yes, sir.
So can we get 170 here? If you have to multiply 18 by any of the number, will we be able to get 180 here, 170 here? Tell me. Mm-hmm. We will use all the possible combinations here. See, 30 multiplied by 5 is giving you 150. So even if you have to multiply 18 by any of the number, we are not going to get 170, right? Now? Because 18 nines are 162, 18 tens are 180. Okay. So we will change the value. Should we write 36 or 180? So if we have written 180, how much more do you need? Tell me you guys are getting it so far. Getting it so far or not? Yeah, Khaja, you getting it? Nafis, Laksh?
Sir, I'm a little bit confused.
Bit confused. Okay, see, basically what I have done here, I have drawn this table with different number of boxes in it, okay? So we are going to fill the numbers in it, but we are going to fill it with at least two different numbers, such that when we add all the numbers, the sum should be equal to 320. So I'm saying let's divide 48 into two parts. Like in 30 boxes, we are going to write 5, and in another 18 boxes, like if you were to write 5 in the first 30 boxes, you'll be getting 150 only. Then how much you need to fulfill? 170 more now. But can we accommodate a total of 170? Total of 170 in 18 boxes?
No.
We cannot now. Because 18 nines are 162 and we need to get 170. So we will use different combinations. So 36 are 180. 140, can you get it? No. Right now, 37s are how much? 210. Right? So you need 110 more. So this combination is not working as of now. This combination is not working here. So we will take another number. Getting it now? So this question, which we are solving over here, we are going to try out different combinations, and then we will be able to land at a number. We'll be able to get the number then. Okay. So 320, we will try to break it in two parts such that both the parts should be the multiples of those numbers whose sum should be equal to 48. Getting it or not? A bit confusing now? A bit confusing, I think, for some of you.
Yes, sir.
Right now, a bit confusing. Okay. Let me make it more simple. Can we write it as 4 times 8 times 10? Can we do so? 4 times 8 times 10 will be equal to 320 or not? Tell me.
It will.
Okay.
Yes, sir, it will.
Okay. Hold on. Habib, if you're going to join this late in the class, so you'll be having a difficulty then, no? Huh? Recently, like you're joining the class late. So suppose
I was
if you were to take
joining.
Hmm?
It was showing some error. Then I messaged the counselor.
Okay. Okay. See, so if we were to take this combination here, so that will be giving us 320, right? Or let's say if we were to take another combination, in case of 20, we are going to get it as 4 times 4 times 20, and that's going to give us 320,
Yes.
right? So what we are going to do here, we will make groups of 4. We will make group of 4. Right now, everyone should focus over here. Getting it now? We will make groups of 4. 10, 10, 10, and 10. Okay. So how many we have to take here? Total 4 will be taking. Getting it now? So this we have taken. Let's take another 10, 10, 10, and 10. Okay. Let's take one more. 10, 10, 10, and 10. And let's take one more. Okay. So how much have we got so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And in each group, how many 4s are there?
160 we have got in total.
Right now we have got only that much now. Okay. Now let's take one more combination. Hold on. Total of 8 groups we need to take. Okay, na? Total of how much? 8 groups of 8 groups of rows with 4 tens in it has to be taken. Focus at the language I'm using here. I'm saying that a total of 8 groups of rows containing 4 tens in each, 4 tens in them has to be taken. So far we have taken only 4 now,
Yes.
right? Only 4. We need 4
So
more.
we have
So
to
we
take
will,
8.
yeah, total of 8 groups of rows containing 4 tens in each of them has to be taken. Okay, we are lacking one here now. So we will take one more group here. This one. We are in this one. So that needs to be filled with 10, 10, 10, and 10. Okay. Now how much are we getting in total here?
320.
320 right now. So we had taken rows containing 4 tens in each in them, and a total of 8 rows, total of 8 groups of 10 has been taken here. Getting it now? So thereby 4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 10, that is giving you 320. Getting it, guys? Now in case of 20 also, we could have done it in the same table. Getting it? First we have shown how with the help of 10, the total um, sum of the 10 is giving you 320, how we have arranged it. Now for the 20 also we can take it now. So how many boxes are left empty? Tell me. How many rows and columns of boxes are left empty?
4 rows
4,
are
4 rows, right now. I mean to say 4 column and
And 4
4
rows.
rows of boxes are left empty.
16 boxes remaining.
Exactly, no? So 16 boxes are remaining. So we are going to fill it with 20. So hold on. 20, 20, and 20, and like 20, like this. Okay. So are we not getting 320 in this case also? We are getting it now, right?
Yes.
So we can, just like it's shown here in section 3.9, just like here, we have used same kind of pattern here. Okay, now we have used the same kind of pattern to show that number between 310 and 390. Okay, 210 and 390, I mean to say, between these two. Hope that was clear to everyone. If there's some doubt, please tell me. Yes, anyone having any doubt in this?
No, sir.
So this is a number pattern over here, okay, which is created in the similar manner, just the way how number patterns were shown in section 3.9. Okay, one more question I had left for you guys. Habib, you also did not uploaded the assignment. Now look at question number 10 that was left. And Habib, some of the questions for you were left to be discussed in the last class. That some of your doubts were left. We'll be doing that in today's class. Question number 10 says, starting with 0, players alternate adding numbers between 1 and 3. The first person to reach 22 wins. What is this winning strategy now? I want every one of you to read the question carefully. Khaja, you read this question. Nafis, Nafis and Habib, turn your cameras on. Turn your camera on. So basically, suppose you and your friend are playing some game. Okay, na? You and your friend are playing some game. And you have started with the number 0. Like you will say 0, right? Then your friend will say some number, right now. Like when the turn of your friend will come, so he will either say 1, I mean to say he will either say +1, +2, or +3. Getting it, everyone? Here the question says that players alternate adding numbers between 1 and 3. So between 1 and 3 means number 1, 2, and 3 can be used here. So players start by saying the number 0, and each player on their turn will add either 1, 2, or 3, and then will give the number. Tell me, is that clear what I have just said?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. So further question says that the first person to reach 22 wins. The first person who will get to say 22, he will be the winner. Right now. So the target number is what? Target number is 22, no? Getting it, everyone? So target number is 22. It's the winning position. Okay, it's a winning position for the player who reaches it. Getting it? So what we will do here, first of all, Habib, is it clear to you? Habib, the question is clear?
Yes.
What we're doing here so far? Good. Now please turn your camera on. I should not have to repeat this again and again.
Yes, sir. There is a lot of disturbance in my background.
Oh, okay. Okay, see. So we are going to add 1. Either 1 can be added and then say the number, either 2 or either 3. Okay, now like this. Let's play the game. Okay, now let's say I have said 0. You have said 0 plus 1. So that will be giving you 1. Okay. Let's say you have said 1 plus 2, 3. Right now. Then let's say what have you said? 3 plus 3?
6.
6. Then tell me.
6 plus 2.
You can add any of the numbers here. 6 plus 2,
6
8.
plus 2.
8. Okay. Then
8 plus 1.
8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Then any number can be added, either of 1, 2, or 3.
3, 3.
9 plus 3, 12. Okay. Then remember
One.
this is remember
Add
let's say
1.
remember like this is you. Let's say this is you. Okay, now this is you guys and this is me. Let's say after 12 you are saying
1.
12 plus 1, 13. Okay.
Yeah.
Next
Plus 3.
13 plus 3, 16. Next
Plus 3.
16 plus 3 you are saying. Okay, 19. Next
Plus 2.
Plus 1.
20. Okay. So now you
Then
now you see since you have said 20, this one has said 20. What is the winning position here?
22.
22 now. So what should the next person say? He can add
Plus
either 1,
2.
either 2, or either 3. So
2.
he will add 2 now. So
Yes.
20 plus 2, 22. This guy will win. Getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
This guy will win here. Okay. But that's not the complete explanation of the question right now. We haven't finished it yet. We haven't finished it yet. Okay. So we need to understand what are the losing positions and what are the winning positions here. What are the losing and the winning position? Okay, look at these two students here, these two people over here. This one clearly has won the game, right? Who got to say 22? The children who said 20, so he is at a losing position now, right?
Yes.
So we are going to learn about the losing position, like what are the losing positions. Okay, now let's say if this guy here had said 19, suppose if he had said 19, so the another guy, he could have said 19 plus 3, 22.
3,
Yes,
yeah.
so again he would
Yes.
have won, right? Again he have won now. Let's say if this guy had said 21, so 21 plus 1, this guy will say 20, hold on, this guy will say 21 plus 1, and he would have got 22. Then
Sir,
again he would
I
won.
think so I understood why did we took 13,
Uh-huh.
because 14 is a losing position.
Exactly, 14 is a losing position. Getting it, right? No, 14 is a winning position actually. Let me complete the discussion right now. So losing positions are what? From this side, if you were to look at, the losing position is like 19, 20, and 21 now. That's the losing position. Okay. So talking about winning position. Winning position. Say if the guy had said 18, like if I had
18.
said 18, okay, then you will say what? If I have said 18, what are the numbers you can say? Either you can say 19, 20, or 21, no? 18 plus
Yeah.
1, you will say 19. 18 plus 2, you will say 20. 18 plus 3, 21. Remember, you can add only these numbers, no other numbers. Please tell me you guys are getting it so far. If there's any question, you can raise your hand. Raja, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Good. So suppose if I had said 18, what will you be able to say? Only 19, 20, and 21 now?
Yes, sir.
The next will be my turn. So I will say 19 plus 3, 22, I won. I will say 20 plus 1, 20 plus, sorry. Huh.
20
I will
plus
say
2.
20 plus 2, I won. I will say 21 plus 1, 22, I won. Getting it now? So 18 is also a winning position because here only two people are playing now, right? Okay, so 18 is also a winning position. What next after this? After this, if we talk about the losing position right now, what could be the losing position now? Okay, let's look at the number 17, for example. Okay,
17.
so let's say you have said 17, right?
Hmm.
Then what will I say? I can say 18,
Hmm.
19, or 21 now.
20.
I can say, yeah, 20, sorry, 20. Very good now. So say that if I have this person over here had said 17, so the another guy can say either 18, 19, or 20 now. So then this guy will say what? This guy will be able to say what numbers? Tell me.
19, 20, or 21.
Right now, 19, 20, and 21. Then what will this guy say now? This guy over here. Since you have said these numbers, so this guy can say 19 plus 3, 22 or not,
Yes.
right? Then can he say 20 plus 2, 22?
22 years.
Right now,
21 plus 1, 20.
right now. So he can say 22 in all the possible ways. So clearly, 17 is also a losing position because the one where like this guy over here, I have whose head I have shaded here, like this is clearly losing here. Tell me if you guys are getting it so far,
Yes.
right now. So
Yes, sir.
17 is also a losing position here. Okay. Then talking about the winning position, not only 17, even 16 and 15 also, right now. Suppose once again, if this one had said 16, right? Tell me what values could this guy say
17, 18, 19.
right now? 17, 18, and 19. Very good. You would be able to say 17, 18, and 19. Then what this guy will be able to say? This one,
18, 19, or 20.
right now. 17 plus 1 here. So thereby 17, 16, and 15 are the losing positions. After this, what will be the winning position? Let's see. Winning position. It will be clearly 14. It will be clearly 14. Let me write it over here. Like it has got a bit messy. Suppose this guy had said 14. Okay, now, right? So next guy will be able to say which numbers?
15, 16, 17.
Right? 15, 16, and 17. Good. After this, what will this guy be able to say?
17, 18.
18, 19, and 21. No? And then this guy, after 21, you will add either 21 plus 1, 22. As you have said the last number as 21, right? So then this guy will be saying 21 plus 1, 22. So this guy here is winning now. Getting it or not what I'm trying to say? So the winning position here is, next winning position is 14. Okay. After this, the another winning position we are going to have, it will be 10. It will be 10. Okay, now let's see why. Suppose this guy here has said 10. Okay, now let's see if he eventually wins or not in that game. Okay, if he has said 10, okay, this guy will say either 11,
12 or 13.
12, or 13. Okay, right? Then I will be able to say what number? Tell me. Yeah, Khaja, Nafis, yes, Habib. If he can say
12,
11,
13,
12, or 13,
14.
right now, so I can say either 12. Hold on. I can either say 12. I can either say 14. I'm to say 12. Yeah, 12, 13, and 14. Right or no? Or if he says 12, then I can say what numbers? I can say 13. I can say 14, and I can say 15.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So if this guy say starts with 10, so this guy will be able to say 11, 12, or 13, right? If let's say this guy has said 11, so this guy can say 12, 13, or 14. Okay, or let's say 13, 14, 15. Let's take only one of the number for the sake of convenience. Okay, now we are not going to take this much of numbers. Let's say this guy says 10 plus 3, 14. Okay, sorry, 10 plus 3, 13, I mean to say. Okay, then what can I say? 13 plus 3,
13
16.
plus 2, 16.
Okay, then this guy will say
That was
16 plus 3. We are taking the bigger number. Okay, now so that we
19.
can get to the answer quickly.
19
19. Then this guy will say
plus 3.
22.
19 plus 3, 21. No,
Sir, it's 22.
oh, yeah, sorry, 22. I mean to say 22. No, right? So I said the number 10. Then am I able to win or not? I got 22 now. So if
Yes.
I were to say the number 10, I will be able to win. So another winning position is 10. Right now. So what could be the next winning position after this? After 10. Huh? Could it be 6? Let's say you start with 6. You have said 6. Okay, this guy will say
9.
9. Okay. Then you will say
12.
12.
12.
Then this guy will say
15.
15.
then you will say
18.
This will say
21.
20,
and then you will say
22.
22. How? 21 plus 1. Now you're saying 22. So this was you know. Hold on. This was you know. So have you won or lost? You have won, no? You have won, no? You got 22 first.
Yes.
So another winning position is 6. Hope you guys are able to understand it so far.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
we will
sir.
take one more, and after this, it will be finished. So that will be 2. Let me erase it once again. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Suppose this is you, Nafis. Let's say Nafis. Okay, and let's say this is a Laksh. All right. So Nafis, you have started with 2. Okay. So Laksh, what number will you say?
3.
3. Let's take the big number. You can say 3 also, no issue. But since the limited number of characters I have taken here, so take the bigger number. 2 plus 3, you will say 5. Okay. Okay. Next, Nafis, you will say, hurry up. Yes, Haja. What would Nafis say next?
3.
No, 5 plus 3. Now, see, we can add either 1, 2, or 3. Okay, na? Okay. So 5 plus 3, 8. Next.
8 plus 2, 10.
Okay, let's say you have taken 10. Next. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 2. Let's say we have taken 13 plus 2 or 13 plus 3 or 13 plus 1. Let's say we have taken 13 plus 3. 16 now, right? Then this guy will say 16 plus 3, 19. After this guy will say 19 plus 1. Let's say we are taking 19 plus 1, 20.
Sir,
19
I'm
plus
taking
1, 20.
23.
Then you will take
19 plus 3 is 23. Sorry, 24. Sorry,
20.
22.
No, I'm saying 19 plus 1. This guy had added 1 to it. He can either add 1, 2, or 3. He has the choice. Okay, now
The 19
it's
plus 3
mentioned.
is 21.
I am saying 19 plus 1. That's why I've written 20 here. Then after 20, you can say 20 plus 2, 22. Right now, so look at this guy who have won here. So that was Nafis, let's say. So Nafis started by saying 2. So did he won or not? Tell me. He won, no? So thereby this is the winning position. So the numbers 2, 6, 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, all of these are the winning positions, and all other numbers are the losing positions. Hope you guys have understood it.
Yes.
Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that was a really interesting question, right? So the losing numbers we are going to write down, and the winning numbers we are going to write down. Okay, so the losing numbers were what? 15, 16, and then 17, and 19, 20, and
20.
21. And winning positions were 2,
6,
6,
10,
6,
14.
14, 18.
18. Okay, hope that was clear. So the winning strategy is for the first player to start by saying the number 2, and then always ensure that the total after their turn is 2, like is after their turn is either 6, 10, 14, or 18, and finally they will be able to get to 22. So they should either start by saying 2 if your turn were to come, 2 or 6 or 10, 14, or 18. Then you will be able to win. Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we have finished this chapter. Let me quickly take the doubts that you were having. Yeah, Habib, you there?
Yes.
So you had some doubts. So give me 1 minute. I will need to quickly add it over here. Okay. 1 minute. I will just need 1 more minute so I can share it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pages are there now. No, there has to be only. Okay, 3 pages. Okay. Yeah, Habib, quickly mention your doubts from this assignment. Did you had any doubt from this one?
No, not this one.
Okay.
The other.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
First one you explain. Second one.
Second one. Okay, okay. First one, see, as I said that with the help of different figures, I was going to explain it. Okay, now. So for this purpose, let us quickly take some of the pictures over here. And that picture here is it a hexagon or an octagon? What is it?
Octagon.
That's a octagon, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Do we have octagon over here? Let me see if I can get some images here. Look at it. We are going to try to draw the different diagonals in it. Okay, now. Then let's see how many diagonals we can get in the figure. Okay, let's start. Just count the total number of diagonals we are going to get over here. Okay. 1, 2,
3, 4.
hold on. 1, then 2, then we have got 3 and 4. 4 diagonals here, but that's not all. Okay, look at this one now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 more diagonals we have got here, right? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay, then look at the third figure here. Let's see how many diagonals we can get over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? Is that
Sir,
all? No.
what was-
There's going to be one more. This one as well. This one also. And this also. So count it. Count how many we have got here. 1, this one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then look at
8.
this one. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good. 8. Okay. So are there more number of or diagonals in this? Huh? As of now, count the total number of diagonals in this octagon. How many have we got so far? Look again. 8 plus 4 plus 4, that is 16. That is 16. Okay, but is that all?
No.
Actually, no. We can have some more in it. Okay, now we can have some more in it. So this one we have got. Okay. This one also we got. Let's see which one is missing here. Everyone try to do this. Okay, now. So this one also we have matched. This one that has also been matched. And this one also has been matched here. Did we match this? Actually, it has 8 now. So if you to look at by the formula, we will get to know like it needs to have a total of 20 diagonals. 4 more diagonals are missing in the figure. Everyone look at it. There has to be 4 more diagonals. Also, let me tell you about a shortcut method for this. Okay, now shortcut method. If you have to find diagonal of any given polygon, always memorize this. By the way, you understand diagonal. No, diagonal basically is the line that is connecting the opposite corners of a given polygon. So there's a formula to find diagonal. That formula is n multiplied by n minus 3 upon 2, where n is representing the number of sides. What is it? It represents number of sides. Okay, now how many sides are in this figure? Tell me, Habib. It's an octagon, so obviously it has
8 sides.
8. No,
8 sides.
8 multiplied by 8 minus 3, and all of it divided by 2. So that is going to be 8 times 5. 8 minus 3 is going to be 5 now, right? So 8 multiplied by 5 divided by 2.
14.
So that is simply 40 upon 2 now, and that is giving you 20,
20.
right? Now, so this actually needs to have 20 diagonals in it, right? 20 diagonals in it. So far we have got 4 plus 4 plus 8, that is only 16. So let's see what is missing in it. Some of it, something is still missing in it. Let's see, try to figure it out. So we have connected these ones. This one also we have connected, all right. This one also we have connected. Yeah, got it, got it. This one we haven't connected yet. Now look over here. You see this one, right? Do we have this diagonal anywhere in the figure?
No.
No. So this one was actually missing right now. Okay. Then this one was also missing. This one also, and this one. Now tell me,
4.
4 now.
20.
So
28.
that is 20 now. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. Hope you guys have understood this, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Question, by the way, this is an important formula. Anyone wants, you can note it down, by the way. It's a shortcut. Even if I were to give you a decagon, no, you'll be easily able to find the number of diagonals. Huh? Can you guys quickly tell me the total number of diagonals that's going to be in a decagon by using the formula? A decagon has 10 sides. Formula is n multiplied by n minus 3 divided by 2. 10 multiplied 10 minus 3 divided by 2. And that is 10 times 7 upon 2. That is 70 upon 2. So it will be how much?
45.
35.
35. No? So there are 35 diagonals in a decagon. Anyways, moving to question number 2, which of the following can you draw? Draw a rough diagram of the possible figures. So question number A says a closed figure formed only of a straight line segment. Only of a straight line segment. So yes, we can draw such a figure now. A closed figure formed only of straight lines. You can draw a triangle, you can draw a square, you can draw a rectangle, you can draw a pentagon. So this one is possible. An open polygon. No, a polygon is never open. A polygon cannot be open. A polygon is a closed figure, no? It's a closed figure. So this one we cannot. An open curve made up of straight line segments. Look at this. It is saying that can we draw an open curve made up of straight line segments? Huh? What do you guys think about it?
Yes, it is possible.
Hmm?
Yes.
So an open curve, it can be entirely, yes, can be, it is possible. It can be made up of entirely straight line segments. Getting it now? Like that. So yes. Now question number D is a polygon with two sides. Is it possible if I were to give you two straight lines, can you make a polygon out
No,
of it?
sir.
No, sir.
This one
No.
is not possible. A minimum of 3 line is needed. Hope it is clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, Habib, you have doubts in this one? Yes, Habib.
Yes.
Which question?
The whole assignment.
The whole assignment. Okay.
Yeah.
All the questions. Okay, look over here. By the way, we have discussed this many times in the class. Okay, look here. So color or mark the supercell in the table
The
given
first
below.
one I know. First one I know.
Okay. Now question number 2, it says fill the table below with only 4-digit numbers such that the supercells are exactly the color cells. So we have to ensure that the position of the supercell does not change. Yes, it remains where it is. So obviously you have to fill large numbers in the supercells. It has to be larger than the
Can we
adjacent
take
numbers.
5,347?
We can take, or we can take even bigger numbers. Let's say you have taken 5,000.
6,429.
How much? 6,429 you're saying. Yeah, we can take that. But the number right next to it has to be smaller than it. Right now?
Yes.
Habib, the number that should be adjacent of it, both of them should be smaller. So then we can fill it with what? Any number. 1,000. Good. So 1,258. If it is a supercell, so it should be bigger than both the numbers 1,000 and the number that's going to be written here. Right now, so what number should we write here?
1,126.
1,122. So the condition is that it should be less than this. Okay. This is not a supercell. This is not a supercell. Okay, na? So we are going to write down the numbers in the increasing order. Okay, na? In the increasing order. Getting into why we cannot write the numbers in a random manner. Why cannot we write a bigger number here? Because then you will get a supercell and the question's requirement will not be fulfilled. Getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So how about we write down 1,300? Then we write down, let's say, 4,000 or 4,082 or something. Then we have got 9,635. But this number needs to be bigger than this
9,000.
number.
So we
Yeah.
can write 9,636.
36, or we can write simply 9,700. Understood it now, everyone? Habib, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Say clearly if you got it or not.
Yes, sir.
Question number 3, this one was also simple, that we have to use numbers between 100 and 1,000 without repeating them. We have to fill all these so that we can get the maximum number of supercells possible. Okay, now also you guys have learned about a very interesting pattern by
Sir, we
counting the
can
number
take 1,000.
between 100 and 1,000 can be taken. Okay, now between 100 and 1,000 has to be taken. Let's say you have started by writing 990. After this, you will write 750, 830, right? Then 245. Getting it? Then you have written
729.
779. You are saying okay, no issues. Then we have taken 570, 835, 236, and then you have taken 945. Okay. So are we not getting the
Five
maximum
supercells.
supercells here?
5.
5